It is officially 2019, and every year needs to start off with an official cleansing. And so, whether that be, your Facebook friends, Instagram friends, people you don't need to keep in contact with, or maybe you just need to clean out the couch that you sit on. So we're gonna look and see what's underneath the cushions of our couch. Remember, we have 4 children under the age of 10. 7. Tell them. You eat snacks on the couch all the time, don't you? What snacks do you like to eat on the couch? Yeah, you like Cheetos? Yeah. There's no telling how many Cheetos and little pieces of cereal or how many cookies. Let's take a look, though. All right, now granted, we have had this couch for a very long time. It's not the first time it's been cleaned out, but it's the first time it's been cleaned out since we have lived here. So, let's see what we got. We got a Nerf bullet.
Yeah, and a sock.
And a sock. I bet your mommy's been looking for that sock. Man, we got Cheetos.
We have so many stuff.
Cookies. And I see like some Chex Mix or something. What is this, an Applejack? Is that a marshmallow?
Mama.
Marshmallow.
Look, Daddy.
You need a bullet? Oh, it's a Lego Ninjago. A Lego mask. Man. What? That's a pen. Somebody needed a pen?
Mama.
What, marshmallow? You looking for marshmallows now?
No.
Black Panther, cut on the vacuum and get to cleaning this up. Alright, let's see if there's glow sticks in there. If there's glow sticks in there, there's a problem.
Yeah, there is.
There's a major problem here.
Yeah, because
oh my gosh. It's unopened.
Wow, you can open it, but it's kind of hard.
Oh my gosh, there's glow sticks. We just found a pack of unopened glow sticks in the couch. In the couch. What do you think about that? You like glow sticks?
No.
Dog, you heard the dog outside?
Look at.
Boom. All right, so something else to take note of is once you have small children, they like to roll things around. And being that this couch is as old as it is, I already know that the lining on the bottom is ripped. So some things slide under the couch and some things slide into the couch. We're going to try and put the camera underneath the couch so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Got some tunes, some cleaning music. Everybody needs cleaning music.
Hey, hold on.
But let's see if we can look under the couch and figure out what's in there.
No.
Get off me, Black Panther! Get off me! Alright, so look, this is the normal liner. Oh, I already see a toy there. But what happens is, like on this side, as you can see into the couch, there's probably stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're probably saying to yourself, man, you guys should buy a new couch. Yes, we should buy a new couch when we have children that learn how to not spill things. Then we will buy a nicer couch. Until then, they will suffer. Suffer! In the midst of cleaning the couch, we stopped, finished watching the Avengers. Now I looked outside, and lo and behold, the old man has pulled up with the boys' biggest Christmas gift this year, and they are excited about it.